Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. I am Mrs. Neha Azankar from Signet Public School, New Narre. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic from class 10th, that is types of chemical reaction, from chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equations. Students, we already learned about physical and chemical changes of matter in previous class. Whenever a chemical reaction or chemical changes occurs, we can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. As we observe changes around us, we can see that there are varieties of chemical reactions taking place around us. So these different types of chemical reactions today we are going to study with some examples. Students, we know green plants produce their food by photosynthesis. An iron object get rust when kept in moist air. Coal burns to produce heat which is used for different purposes. So these are all the examples of common processes that includes or involves a chemical reactions. So what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is a process in which a set of chemical substances called reactants changes to another set of chemical substances called product. This change of reactants to product takes place through different ways, and accordingly there are different types of chemical reactions that we are going to see. Mainly the different types of chemical reactions involve combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, redox reaction and combustion reactions. So let us learn about all these types of chemical reactions in detail. First of all, combination reaction. Combination reaction is a chemical reaction in which chemical substances combine, two or more chemical substances combines to form a single product. For example, hydrogen and chlorine. When hydrogen and chlorine combines to form a hydrogen chloride. Next, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a chemical reaction in which compounds, chemical substances broken down or decomposes into one or two simpler substances. For example, calcium carbonate decomposes to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Next type of chemical reaction, that is single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which an element from its compound displaced by another element from its compound. For example, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and forms ferrous sulfate and copper. Next, double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which two compounds exchange their constituent ions, mostly ions, to form a new compound or to form a new product. For example, silver nitrate and potassium, silver chloride and potassium nitrate mutually exchange their constituent ions to form silver chloride and potassium nitrate. Next, that is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is a double displacement reaction which takes place between acids and base to form water and salt. For example, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide base reacts to form water and sodium chloride as a salt. Next, that is redox reaction. Redox reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which electrons are exchanged between two compounds, resulting in the oxidation of one substance and reduction of other. For example, sodium reaction between sodium and chlorine. One electron of sodium is transferred from each sodium atom to each chlorine atom to form a sodium chloride. So this is about the redox reaction. And finally, the combustion reaction. Combustion reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which substances combines with oxygen to form a more than two oxides along with the formation of energy. For example, when methane combines with oxygen, it forms a carbon dioxide, water along with large amount of energy. So in this way, these are all the types of chemical reactions that we learned today in this session. Hope you all enjoy this session. Thank you.